We're about to go on a journey, following 3 land developers and 3 builders in 3 different states, each embarking on the design and construction of a zero-energy display home. And we'll be collecting unique research data along the way. Welcome to Zero Energy Homes, the builder's journey. The conversation around zero energy housing has been around for some time, but the concept is quite abstract to most people. But its potential impact is massive. With around 100,000 detached houses built each year in Australia, and with the average operational greenhouse gas emissions in the order of 7 tonnes per dwelling, total emissions could be reduced by around 700,000 tonnes per year if all new detached homes were built as zero-energy homes. So what is a zero-energy home? Simply put, they're designed and built to consume the same or less energy than they produce on an annual basis. Typically, zero-energy homes are highly energy efficient through good design and quality construction, and include rooftop solar power to match the annual net energy demand. As part of the project, 3 new zero-energy homes will be built as display homes in housing estates to take the idea straight to the mass market. One of the houses will be built in Officer, southeast of Melbourne, by SJD Homes in an established display village at the 750-lot Timbertop land estate by Parkley. Another will be built in the ACT by Rawson Homes in the Stage 1 display village of the brand new Ginninderry development, a joint venture between the ACT government and Riverview Developments. The project will eventually include over 11,000 dwellings. In tropical Townsville in northern Queensland, the third house will be built by local builder Finlay Homes at North Shore, a project by national developer Stockland that will eventually contain around 6,000 dwellings. 3 very different locations with different climates and different markets. Our research project will follow the design and construction process of the homes as well as the display phase. But we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to give each of the builders one of these, a video camera, so they can capture the story through their eyes and help us get to the bottom of the question as to whether zero-energy homes can be available affordably and easily to everyone.
I think the biggest thing I'm looking forward to is actually getting in front of people and starting a discussion about could their home be a better place to live in. I think a lot of it comes back to people being aware that those options are available, and if they're available then hopefully more people can take it up.
We want to sell the dream of home ownership, and a home that you're proud of, comfortable in, and doesn't cost you money or more money than it should every 3 months when you get your electricity bill. So I think that's very important. I think we have a role to play there.
And if we don't really start to make some serious inroads and improve what we're doing, the generation in front of us are really going to have some big issues that they've got to deal with.
There is sort of a perception within the industry about price. It's also our responsibility to drive the industry as well.
It's bringing together the research, it's bringing together the builders and the practical part of building. It's in us as the developer how we can work collaborative to provide a better outcome in built form.
Came about as a great opportunity for us to probably gain some learnings from this. And then what we could actually implement long term within some of our building design guidelines.
One of the things that I'm hoping to see is, as Rawson Homes, we're a mass home builder, is what sort of techniques can we extract from this project that enables us to apply this to not just one site, but a home product that we can actually take and use on multiple sites.
Along the way, the research team will provide support to the builders. We'll also track construction costs to determine price impacts. And once the homes are built, we'll be surveying potential home buyers to gauge their perceptions in a way that's never been done before. Zero energy homes, the builder's journey. Let's explore this together so that industry, government and the market can learn what it will take to mainstream zero energy housing in Australia. Keep your eye on our YouTube channel and follow Josh's House on our website and socials for updates.